A factory reset restores your PlayStation Portal to its original out-of-box state. This erases all personal data, custom settings, paired controllers, and installed firmware versions. You should perform a factory reset to resolve persistent issues like software glitches, network connectivity problems such as lag during remote play, failed firmware updates, or general performance slowdowns. It's a useful troubleshooting step before contacting Sony support, but remember that all data on the portal will be erased. Begin by powering on your PlayStation Portal device. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Select System from the menu, then choose Reset Options. Choose the option to reset your PS Portal Remote Play. Confirm the reset by selecting Yes. The reset process takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure the portal is fully charged and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network for post-reset setup. Remember to back up any critical saves or profiles on your PS5 before resetting, as this process only affects the portal. This reset does not impact the PS5 console itself.